This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I will show how you can check how much storage you have on this device. So firstly, launch settings, then enter the first category of the settings, that is my device, and in here to your right you can see the separate storage rectangle. So even from, well, the my device general page, you can check what is the size of your storage in total. In my case, that's 256 gigabytes, and how much of it is currently occupied, which is in my case almost 48 gigabytes. But if you would like to see more, you can just tap at the storage. In here, see more detailed statistics on how much of your storage is occupied by what exactly, or what category of things rather. You can even check. Then you can just tap at the free up button and remove the trash, junk, and generally unnecessary cached files from your system, thus freeing up the storage. So you can do that if needed. And well, that would be pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.